We are into design, development and manufacture of poultry equipments. We sell our products in India as well as our export markets are Middle East, Africa and some parts of Latin America. The Indian industry has been facing tough times recently, uh, but still we are positively encouraged to see that a lot of people are coming for the exhibition and they are all hopeful that the industry will sail through this tough phase and good times will come soon. Our plant is based in Nasik. We have two manufacturing facilities and we are also now expanding our manufacturing facilities. We will be able to provide complete turnkey solutions to our customers, which includes design of the site surveying, design of the sheds, provision of the structures and the civil work drawings, all the feeding, drinking, gas brooding and ventilation equipment that is required in the broiler houses and delivering it turnkey to the customer. We have done quite a few projects now in Africa. We have also done a project in Middle East lately and the response has been very encouraging and we hope that this segment will grow. The customers here have started facing a lot of customers in India come to us and they say that labor is getting difficult day by day and their focus is towards automation now. So that is what we are trying to provide Indianized automation solutions for all our customers. Compared to last year, the crowd that has come in this year, I think there is a lot more awareness in the crowd. They have seen a very difficult year, but they are not discouraged by it and are in fact taking it positively. We have developed a very efficient and effective solution for somebody who wants to set up a complete broiler setup right from scratch. We can provide them with a complete turnkey housing solution which goes from complete site survey and designing to shed layout, structure erection, equipment installation and commissioning. We manufacture the structure in-house in India and probably we are the only company in India who has done projects like these abroad. Definitely the first Indian company. We have our own special easy pan feeding system that can go in the house. The advantage of this feeding system is that chicks as well as big birds can eat easily from the same pan and it is probably the only feeder pan in the world that can adjust its height as well as diameter according to the age of the bird. We will also provide you nipple systems, nipple watering systems, also made in-house in our plant in Nasik. We would provide you for brooding, we would provide you gas brooders and then we will design the entire ventilation package from you, right from the fans and cooling pads. So hand it over to you as a turnkey solution on a turnkey basis. That's a little bit about our new solution that we provide. Thank you.